how to add or insert an image into your Figma project. So let me show it to you. It's pretty easy. So open your Figma project, and the easiest way is to click on Figma logo in left upper corner area. Simply go to File, and we want to click Place Image, which is Shift, Command and K on Mac. So simply click it. It's gonna open you your Finder. You can scroll down and place here your image. So I'm gonna do it right now. And now you have to select the size of that image. As you can see in my mouse cursor, there is already that image, and I want to click, hold, and you can resize it like you want. Now release your mouse and the image is here. So that's the first way. Second way is just to go to your recents or downloads like this and just grab it and place it here. As you can see, this one. So you don't have to go to Figma, File, etc. Also, I like to go to Finder, and for example, you can click that image, Control C, so copy that, go to your Figma and paste that image. So Command plus V, and that image is here. So that was the third way. Another way how you can do it, you can press R on your keyboard, select the image or select the space. Now we want to double click it, go to fill and this little plus. This is gonna appear. You can choose the color, but we want to click this little icon, which is image. Click it, and simply you can make an image or upload here from your computer. And it's the same process like before. Select the image or something from your computer, click on open, and it should be it. But it's gonna fit to that rectangle. You have to customize it. So there are multiple ways how you can insert image into your Figma project. If you have any questions or any idea how you can add image, you can comment down below in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.